So let's talk Hamilton for a moment. Ferrari. Leclerc did fairly decent. So if you were watching, you would have heard or read about Nico Rosberg, Lewis Hamilton's probably biggest rival on the track, what he had to say. So he was sitting behind watching all of the telemetry. So you know that this has a bit of weight, seeing that he was a previous world champion and now sitting behind the desk. So his opinion definitely can hold water, right? So what Rosberg had to say, as you can see, a little bit of telemetry that they've given us, he was saying that it's definitely baked into the car. You can see that Hamilton, when you're watching his hands, he's constantly fighting the car as opposed to smoothly driving the car. He's debating with the car instead of telling the car what to do. From an ex-driver, I mean, how do you debate that? Clearly, Ferrari needs to get there together. There was a debate after, from what I understand, after the race, all of the engineers and the heads of the different departments sat in a room and discussed whether or not they should go back to last year's car or keep pushing with this car. This car has the potential, has the speed in it. They just need to unlock it. Or go back to last year's car, which had stability but less speed. I vote less speed, better handling. Because so Hamilton was interviewed at the end of the race, and one of the things that he said was, maybe it's him. It's him that, just having a bad day. Now, if that is the way he's thinking and not just saying this to quiet reporters, that's a bad sign. Because once doubt starts to creep into the mind, it is very difficult to get your bearings back, get your confidence back. How do I know? Former 100-meter athlete you're talking to. Former Canadian 100-meter athlete you're talking to. So Ferrari just needs to get this together. I hope that it hasn't that doubt hasn't come into his mind. But on the other hand, how does it not? Ferrari, from a fan to you, go back to last year's car. Or at least sit down with Hamilton and figure out what needs to be done. Leclerc, I guess, has learnt how to handle this car, but Hamilton has not. And you can definitely see between the different telemetries of the two cars that it seems as though Leclerc's car is definitely more sorted than Hamilton's. I know it sounds like excuses, but when the bigwigs, ex-drivers and what have you, are saying the same thing, again, not looking for any big things to happen until after the summer break at the earliest. Next year is where my money is on. So next race, Canada. That will be on the weekend of the 13th through the 15th of June. Predictions. Well, I mean, Piastri in first is my guess. Norris will be close behind. Verstappen. I think it'll be Leclerc again. Then Verstappen. Then Hamilton. Oh, and congratulations to Fernando Alonso. First points of the season. So that is my prediction for the Canadian F1 Grand Prix race. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around. And this is my opinion. Ferrari. What's there to say that I haven't said already? Oh, I know. One fan's opinion.